Hi friends, today we'll see the new feature in WhatsApp, View Once Media. First, let us download the latest version from Play Store or Apple Store. Let's go to Play Store and type in WhatsApp. Select WhatsApp Messenger and click on Update. While the app is getting updated, we'll see why did WhatsApp bring this feature up. So, if we send our picture using view once, then other person can only view it once and the picture won't be saved to their gallery or photos. So, this feature saves time in deleting the pictures from media. But be careful, other person can still take a screenshot of the picture and save the image in their gallery. So now, let's scroll up and let's see how it works. Click on open, go to WhatsApp chat and go to gallery and select a photo. Here I select a flower photo and click on the symbol visible just before arrowhead. There you see a pop-up describing the feature which says send photos and videos that can only be viewed once. Click OK to proceed and there you see how the picture appears to you. If the other person clicks and views the media, it will show up as opened. So now let us see how the picture appears to us if somebody sends us the picture in the same way. So I'm waiting for the picture to be received and yes, there you go, the picture appears with a green arrowhead. So I open the photo to view it and let me go back and try to view it again, and I click on multiple times and I can't view the photo. So that's for now. Hope you liked the video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Bye bye.